Welcome XDC fans. We're going to dive into some exciting information revolving around trade finance and the XDC network. We're going to dive into this article from Blockworks that specifically highlights the XDC network as being one of the leading technologies revolutionizing the way how trade finance works. So, if you're an XDC fan, you've come to the right spot. Please do consider hitting the like, share, and subscribe so you can stay up to date with future content on the XDC network. Let's dive in. Now, one of the many reasons I love using a D'CENT wallet is the fact that you can purchase NFTs and store them directly from the wallet. It's pretty awesome. It's convenient. It's safe. So I'm going to show you an example here. At the bottom left, you're going to see the NFT tab. It looks like a little diamond. You just tap on that, and this is where you can store your NFTs. You can also access different marketplaces right here. There's Rarible, OpenSea, XDC, and Sparkles. So you not only have the XDC network, you have the Ethereum network, and there's also Songbird. So for this demonstration, I'm going to show you XDC, the NFT marketplace. So you just tap on that where it says XDC, and it's going to bring us directly to the marketplace. Now, if you have your XDC wallet address, your account, it's going to ask to connect that. Tap on Yes, I Want, so you can interact with this site. And you can do all kinds of things here. You can shop around, you can browse best sellers, you can look at different drops. There's also NFT staking that's available, so you can earn passive income while you're holding NFTs. Who wouldn't want to do that? So you can see there's different collections you can go through and check out. So I invite you to go ahead and check this out. If you have a D'CENT wallet, go ahead and access that tab. Go ahead and check out these different features. If you're interested in purchasing one of these wallets, there's links in the description for an incredible discount. Enjoy. If you're interested in learning about a project, a solid project built on the XDC network that has a bright future, check out Circularity Finance. A while back, I had the privilege of interviewing the founders of Circularity Finance, or CFI, and it seems like an exciting future for this project. Circularity Finance is revolutionizing decentralized finance by offering innovative solutions like impermanent loss protections and fully homomorphic encrypted bridges, ensuring the highest level of security and interoperability across blockchain networks. So this is your last chance to be part of the groundbreaking initiative. So they're in their final week of the REFI token private sale. It's a unique opportunity to join the forefront of regenerative finance. So if you'd like to learn more about this, I'm going to put a link in the description. Check it out. XDC Foundation posted, real-world asset tokenization is set to revolutionize a $50 billion industry. Any guesses which one? I have a good guess. Let's dive into this article to learn more. Let's dive into this article from Blockworks. They mentioned XDC right below the title. That's pretty significant. The RWA solution to a surging $50 billion industry. Engaging with XDC provides access to cutting-edge financial tools and places investors at the forefront of the trade finance revolution. $87.81 billion. That's how large the global trade finance market is projected to grow by 2031, nearly double its 2022 valuation. Despite its exciting growth projections, trade finance is expensive, opaque, and boring. But bring the market and its financial instruments on chain, and suddenly we have something worth discussing alongside other topics vital to anyone passionate about the future of finance. To ensure you're well versed in the subtopic of RWAs, one of the sexiest, most discussed crypto sectors among Web3 natives and TradeFi institutions like BlackRock alike, this comprehensive investor's guide will explore the growing trade finance RWA niche, show how blockchain integration serves as the best medicine for the problems trade finance faces, and explain how optimized blockchains like the XDC network, being highlighted, that's awesome, offer industry-leading opportunities. So overview of trade finance and real-world assets. RWAs. Let's be clear, while most industries function well today without moving to blockchain tech and stand to gain only marginal by transitioning, the trade finance opportunity is a different story. Today, banks, financiers, and secondary markets all run their own ledgers for goods they buy and sell, but absolutely nothing is harmonized. There is tremendous potential to bring all this together into a single source of truth. So Deloitte has reimagined how trade finance can operate, leveraging a blockchain-based infrastructure to drive efficiencies, reduce cost base, and open up new revenue opportunities like newer models of credit and funding guarantees back into trade. So picture heterogeneous participants in data short-dated transactions, liquidating instruments, etc., all using an immutable ledger to record transactions and create transparency. It's not about RWAs. Blockchain ledgers themselves will make a massive impact on trade finance as well. Given the enormous potential of bringing trade finance on-chain, it's quite clear that trade finance isn't just a small facet of RWA movement. It is a niche that will drive significant adoption to the sector and blockchain as a whole. Trade finance definition and importance. Trade finance represents the financial instruments and products that facilitate international trade and commerce. So in case some people might get confused with global trade, trade finance is the financial instruments and products that facilitate international trade and commerce. Essential for managing the risks associated with global businesses, such as currency fluctuations, political instability, and the creditworthiness of parties, trade finance ensures that transactions process smoothly and reliably. Its role is pivotal in enabling companies, especially those in developing countries, to access the global market, enhancing their growth and contributing to economic development. Key instruments of trade finance. There's several key financial instruments. There's letters of credit. Banks guarantee payment on behalf of buyers provided sellers meet specific terms. There's trade credit insurance, protects exporters from the risk of non-payment by overseas buyers. There's factoring, involves selling accounts receivable at discount to improve cash flow. There's export credits, provides financing to overseas buyers to purchase goods and services. There's bank guarantees, ensures that buyers' financial obligations are met, safeguarding the seller. Now, the challenges in trade finance, and that's going to bring us to the XDC network here in just a bit. So despite its critical role, the trade finance sector faces numerous challenges. There's lack of transparency and trust, there's investor access, there's fraud, there's slow and inefficient processes, and high cost. RWA's definition and overview. So in case you need to know what an RWA is, it's a real-world asset. RWAs are physical or tangible assets that have been tokenized on a blockchain. These assets provide a bridge between traditional financial systems and the burgeoning world of decentralized finance, or DeFi, offering tangible backing or value to digital transactions. RWAs relevant to trade finance include tokenized commodities. Got invoice financing, you have supply chain tokens. By incorporating RWAs into trade finance, the sector can address many of its inherent challenges, offering a more transparent, efficient, and secure environment for all participants. This evolution is part of what makes the integration of RWAs into trade finance not just innovative, but potentially revolutionary. Now, let's go into a deeper dive into RWAs. So how RWAs can address trade finance challenges. The traditional trade finance landscape, as described earlier, grapples with issues like opacity, fraud, inefficiency, and high operational costs. RWAs offer promising solutions to these perennial problems, harnessing the inherent benefits of blockchain to revolutionize trade finance. One of the most compelling advantages of incorporating RWAs into trade finance is a drastic improvement in the efficiency and speed of transactions. Blockchain technology minimizes the need for manual processing and reduces the dependency on intermediaries who traditionally slow down the trading process. With RWA, assets like invoices, commodities, or even payroll can be programmed directly into tokens. This programming allows the automatic triggering of payments or transactions under specific conditions without the need for manual intervention, thus speeding up the entire process significantly. Greater investor access, as I was just speaking of. Tokenization will provide more open access to trade finance assets that have been inaccessible to most investors in the secondary market. In theory, this factor, along with the projected growth of trade finance, will open the floodgates, there we go, for significant much-needed capital coming on-chain and help stimulate the global on-chain economy. Of course, you have reduced cost, and we know the XDC networks is like pretty much no cost. Blockchain's ability to streamline process naturally leads to a reduction in transaction costs, the removal of middlemen, and a decreased necessity for extensive paper trails and manual checks means that the costs of traditionally associated with trade finance can be significantly lowered. This reduction not only makes trade finance more accessible, but also more attractive to a broader range of market participants. You also have improved transparency. The transparency of blockchain is another significant benefit when applied to trade finance. Each transaction involving RWAs is recorded on an immutable ledger, visible to all parties involved. There's also security improvements. Finally, the security features of blockchain technology are inherently superior to many traditional financial systems. Through the use of encryption and decentralized consensus mechanisms, blockchain enhances the integrity and security of financial transactions. Each transaction is securely recorded and must be agreed upon by consensus, providing unauthorized changes or hacks. This security is especially pertinent in trade finance, where the stakes are high and the potential for fraud is significant. By addressing these critical challenges through the integration of RWAs, blockchain is setting the stage for a more robust, efficient, and secure framework in trade finance. This technological shift not only resolves many of the existing issues, but also opens up new avenues for innovation and growth within the sector. Future opportunities in trade finance. The growing impact of tokenization. Tokenization is estimated to be a $24 trillion market by 2027. That is incredible. The staggering figure reflects the significant interest from financial institutions eager to capitalize on the benefits of blockchain, such as round-the-clock trading, capabilities for smaller transaction sizes, improved liquidity, and reduce overhead cost. Here's a comment from Andre Casterman from Casterman Advisory. He states, the digital asset space is going to impact all industries, including fine art and gold. Tokenization is going to enable investment products to be created and for money to move more easily, increasing financial inclusion. Addressing DeFi yield challenges. Current DeFi yield mechanisms have their limitations, often being restrictive as they are paid out in native assets only. RWAs provide a promising solution by offering more stable yields on tokenized real-world assets, which can attract traditional funds on-chain and stimulate DeFi ecosystems with more stable, diverse earning opportunities. And here we have highlighted XDC Network. At the forefront of this revolution is XDC Network, enterprise-grade open-source blockchain protocol that is EVM compatible and supports smart contracts. The XDC Network has proven track record for its performance and security and is premium blockchain choice for trade finance asset activity, states Christoph Gugelman, the CEO and co-founder at TradeTech. The XDC network is particularly well suited for revolutionizing the trade finance sector through its efficient handling of RWAs. Its platform offers a robust enterprise-friendly infrastructure for tokenizing and trading real-world financial instruments and commodities, making it a pivotal player in the industry with the power to drive new funds to bridge on-chain from traditional finance. Deep integration with global TradeFi leaders. Huge. So launched in 2017, Securitize was the world's first fully digital securities issuance platform. It has grown into a giant, being named to Fast Company's World's Most Innovative Companies of 2024, and now boasting $47 million strategic funding round led by BlackRock and over $800 million in on-chain funds. Without question, Securitize is a global leader in RWA tokenization. So today, XDC is one of only 4 RWA chains integrated into the issuance platform, having notably been used by TradeTech, the leading provider of data technology and software to trade finance and private credit industry, to launch a U.S. Treasury bond token through the Securitize platform. Other notable XDC milestones, just to note, in trade finance include establish a partnership with SBI Group. You also have recognized by the International Chamber of Commerce and World Trade Organization, integrated with Trade Trust, and selected as the first blockchain company to join Global Trade Finance Distribution Initiative. Let's not forget Comtech Gold is utilizing the XDC network. Standardized digital gold backed by 100% physical gold on the XDC network offers a Sharia-compliant, secure, and transparent method for trading gold digitally. Stasis Euro token, the EURS, by mirroring the euro on the blockchain, the EURS provides a stable digital counterpart to the euro, facilitating seamless cross-border transactions and reducing currency exchange complexities. You also have U.S. Treasury securities tokenized by YieldTech. This initiative uses the XDC network to bridge traditional financial instruments with decentralized finance, offering tokenized access to an ETF that tracks U.S. government bonds with compliance to securities regulations. Capitalizing on momentum. With so much momentum behind RWAs and trade finance, engaging with leading blockchain ecosystems like the XDC network can be significantly advantageous for businesses and investors. By participating in these innovative platforms, stakeholders can position themselves at the cutting edge of financial technology and benefit from the myriad opportunities that RWAs offer. If you would like to read through the rest of this, I'm going to put it in the description. I just want to go over this last part, navigating the future of trade finance. The integration of RWAs with blockchain technology is revolutionizing trade finance, offering faster, more cost-effective and transparent transactions, with the industry projected to grow to $87.81 billion by 2031. Trailblazers like XDC Network have an opportunity to lead this dynamic sector. Very bullish. Well, everyone, that's all I have for the video. I hope you did enjoy it. If you love the XDC network and you want to stay informed with some of the latest content, please do consider subscribing. Also hit the like and share with friends and family, because the more people that learn about the XDC network, the more people can invest.